Oke teman-teman, perkenalkan nama saya Dimas. Kali ini saya akan membuat tutorial cara membuat masker. Bagaimana caranya? Oke, langsung ke videonya.
Just another lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. Today you tell me about the blue sky and all that I can see. Just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head and down. I'm turning around and all that I can see. Just another lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. Today you tell me about the blue sky and all that I can see. Just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head and down. I'm turning around and all that I can see. Just another lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you tell me about the blue sky and all that I can see. Just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head and down. I'm turning around and all that I can see. Just another lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you tell me about the blue sky and all that I can see. Just another lemon tree. Living all alone, kinda forgot it's been that long since someone's gone. I've been trying to be a little bit strong, and it is not that easy to be exactly who I was or should have done. Now it's time for me, try to move it on. 'Cause if you think I'm such a happy person, no, you are wrong by saying my laughter is louder than yours. Shut your freaking mouth. No one knows what I'm feeling, what I suffer. No, they don't know. So keep your thoughts and stop assuming that someone is always fine. I keep thinking, well, my friends let me acting go insane. Mom was right about that, and now I can't trust again. But I think I don't really need no friends. I'm alone, it's not that bad. Then again, it hurts me so bad, and people just don't know that. Maybe this time I'ma take back what is mine. All the smiles, all the joys, those are mine. There will be no more crying, there will be no more trying. This places I never belong, 'cause this guy now is gone. If you think I'm such a happy person, no, you are wrong by saying my laughter is louder than yours. Shut your freaking mouth. No one knows what I'm feeling, what I suffer. No, they don't know. So keep your thoughts and stop assuming that someone is always fine. If you think I'm such a happy person, no, you are wrong by saying my laughter is louder than yours. Shut your freaking mouth. No one knows what I'm feeling, what I suffer. No, they don't know. So keep your thoughts and and stop assuming that